everyone. So this is "Come Alive" by Barlow Girl. This is in the key of, it's the relative key of G, so it's minor key. Sorry, so it's E minor technically. It's the relative minor of the key of G. So it'd be in the key of E minor. So you're pretty much the whole song. The verses are E minor and C. Towards the end of the verse, the pre-chorus, there's an A minor in there, but the chorus is just E minor, C, G, and D. So the lead part, the intro, starts on the A string on the 7th fret, which is an E. So it goes like this. I'll do it full speed and then I'll slow it down. That's all it is. Obviously, you would do this on electric with lots of distortion, a little bit of reverb, but so. So you play that for the intro and through all the verse. Once you get to the pre-chorus, do we want more? You just do an open E, do an F sharp, G, A, and then you hold on that B. Tell me, do we want more? So you'd finish that last. And then you're at the chorus. So for the chorus, I just play open notes and you're doing octaves. So there's two ways you can do that. You can either, so it's E minor, C, G, and D. So you're just playing an E, a C, a G, and a D. So I usually do 12 fret thing. So you would start off with the open E, and you hit it 3 times. And then you go to your 12th fret, you just go 12 frets higher. And then to your C, which is 3rd fret A string, up to the 15th fret. And then to your G, which is 3rd fret E string, up to the 15. And then the D, up to the 17. So you can slide. I like to slide. I like the sound of that. But you don't have to do this 12. You could do it this way. You can go 2 strings lower and 2 frets up. So you can do. Whoops. You can do it that way if you want. You just go 2 strings down and 2 frets up to get the same note but in a higher octave. But I like to do the 12 frets higher. I mean, it takes a lot of practice because it's pretty fast, but that's the whole. You do that for the whole chorus. You keep repeating that for the whole chorus. Verse 2, and then once you finish the chorus, you're right back to that. You hold out on that G for a little bit, and then you go back to your intro. For your verse. The bridge, I just let it kind of hang out, but I'll do it a little different. So I'll play an E here, because this is A, B, C, D, E on A7. It's an E, so that's where you start your lead. So we are the passion, and then I'll drop down to the C. We are the movement. And then for a G, I'll stay on the same string and you go up to the 10th fret. We are the fire, and then to the D. Never lose it. and I just bend them a lot. So you start there. The passion, we are the movement, we are the fire, we'll never lose it. And as you build it, you just add more. We are the passion, we are the movement, on the fire, we'll never lose it. And then once you get to the chorus, it's kind of a cut, so I'll pluck. I'll do it this way because I want that really low E in there. So, but it's the same thing. Just because we've heard the cry, see, we come alive. I just let it do that bend. Fight for love. And then right back to your normal chorus. That's pretty much it for Come Alive.